Hey guys, what's going on? It's Andrew from AR Media. In tonight's video I want to do a quick review of Avengers on 4K UHD Blu-ray. Now I'm going to go over this one very briefly because this is a home run in all regards. So I'm not even going to really go over the movie because I'm sure most of you guys have seen this, but if not, this is the first Avengers film where they all team up. They're going against Loki and it is an awesome time. Huge fan of the Avengers franchise and definitely the best place to start in the franchise. A lot of fun for the whole family. Now let's get to the video quality on this. So this is a 2K digital intermediate upscaled to 4K, and for all you 2K naysayers out there, this is the disc that may change your mind. This is one of the best 2K upscales I have seen in a very long time, and this is the best out of the 3 Avengers I have seen by a pretty good margin. Now the detail here is off the charts, whether it be on the Hulk, whether it be on Captain America's costume. Captain America's costume had a ton more detail than the Blu-ray. Same thing with Loki, Thor. I mean, you really do get tons of detail here on all of the characters. Black Widow's hair is very bright and vibrant. You can tell every individual strand. The depth here is phenomenal as well. Separating the foreground from the background is great, and black levels are nothing to complain about. Deep and inky throughout, and you can see that right in the first opening 10 minutes. The black levels are right on display and deep and inky and stay that way throughout. Now let's get to another star of the show here, and that is the HDR. The HDR makes all the colors pop a bit more, adds some nuances to the colors, but nothing to make it overly vivid or overly saturated to make it look like it wasn't meant to be. This still looks very filmic, this still looks fantastic, and the HDR just brings it to that next level with that vivid, punchy colors. Now guys, this is also a full screen image and is the only full screen Avengers in the set, and I was very happy to hear that. So now let's get to the audio mix. So this is a Dolby Atmos mix, and this surprised me compared to the other Avengers as well. I found this to be the best Disney mix so far. I found the overheads were used nicely. I found it was a nice dynamic mix to this, and I found that I didn't have to turn it up too much. So we didn't get the Disney Atmos, as people have been calling it. This one definitely had a better audio mix than the other two, and I was pretty impressed with it overall. Not Saving Private Ryan or the Matrix level, but a good audio mix. So when you guys, I would rate this a day one pickup. I think this is the best in the franchise, audio-wise and video-wise. I think it's a great movie for the whole family, and definitely worth the pickup in 4K. So when you guys, let me know down below what you thought of the movie. Let me know what you think of the franchise overall, and I'll see you guys in the next one.